So finally, we have arrived at taking the quiz. There will be two tests. One is theory, other one is practical. Without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to the quiz. Takes 4 minutes, I don't think so. So my email is this. What is your unique ID? Our unique ID is over here. Alright, please provide your n8n user forum name. Our unit, and for some reason my post got flagged. I don't know why. Regardless, let's go to preferences. AI champions 1. Okay. Multiple choice questions. Okay, what is the data structure of n8n? So graph is not array and object. So in JSON or in our workflows, if you go back, if you check any of the workflows, and let's pick our data, any of the data actually, doesn't matter. If you see JSON, it's an array of objects, and these are individual objects inside it. So according to me, it has to be array of objects. Okay, and n8n node performs its action on each of the key value item pair. It's key value pair item, each item. So you can create multiple items from one single item using the merge node. Choose as many as you like. Create multiples. It's not saying one. So it's split out node and code node, because code node we can use to do whatever we want. That should be the correct answer. Convert to file or extract node from file nodes can encode data in different formats. So convert to file node. Let's go to convert to file node. Let's see what it can do. It can do multiple conversions. So convert data from binary to JSON and JSON to binary. Convert to JSON is there, and convert to binary is not there. But you can, remove base 64. So I think it can do everything. Encode data in different formats, because it can encode data in all the formats, right? All the formats. So this is true, this is true, this is true. Alright, in the merge node you need to pass the property input. So if we go back to our merge node, if you see, there is append, combine, SQL, branch, and if you do by matching fields, you just need 2 fields to match. So I don't think so you need it as an expression. So the answer is you can use the same workflow to monitor different workflows. Yes. So for example, I can go over here, and in the settings I can choose error workflow. I can like error workflow, and if I go to a different one and I go to the settings, I can choose as the same error workflow for multiple mappings. So that said, you can use, yes, you can use. All right, quiz on the workflow. Now with this, our theory part is done. In the next episode, we'll go with the practical. See you then.